Hello, I'm going to show you how to launch your memecoin in Solana and you get a complete reg pool guide. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It doesn't constitute financial advice or call to action. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to give you an inside look at real-time trading strategy I just received from a well-known Solana-based trader and the creator of memecoins. He's been quietly using this new method to generate really $10,000 a day by launching low-cap memecoins, and until now it hasn't been made public, so pay close attention. There is a fresh approach to launching memecoins that's starting to gain serious traction. And what's amazing is that it allows you to get your token noticed without spending anything on traditional marketing. With the memecoin and crypto market heating up again, traders are constantly looking for creative ways to capitalize. And today, I'll walk you through one of the most promising tactics out there. This isn't just theoretical hype. I'll actually be showing you live trades so you can see it work in real time. Right now, this method is proving to be incredibly profitable. I can say how long it can stay effective, but at the moment, memecoin traders are rushing in. First, we head to this site. I'll drop the link in the video description. When you create a token on platforms like this, it automatically gets listed on tools like DEX Screener, Axiom, and others. So first, I go to the DEX Screener and pick a trading token with decent buyer activity, something we can associate our memecoin with. I'll pick a random popular token. Now I hit Create Token and copy all the image, name, and symbol. I'm setting the supply at 1 billion tokens, so the total supply really doesn't matter. Then I drop in a description. It can be funny or informative, that parts are up to you. Here's where it gets really interesting. The key new feature. We can now override the token creator information in the smart contract metadata. That means we can replace it with the address of a wallet that holds a lot of Solana. Don't worry, I'll still retain full ownership. This doesn't give control away. But this trick is crucial to get an attention. There are tools that constantly scan for newly launched memecoins and show detailed info about them. These platforms are being watched 24/7 by bots and traders looking for the next breakout token. We pick a wallet that holds a large balance of SOL. Then we launch a new token and assign that wallet as a creator, while keeping the actual liquidity very low, for example just 1 SOL. This makes the token appear on radar tools as a potential insider drop or steals launch. To most bots and traders, this setup suggests that the wallet owner is prepping for a big liquidity injection, so they jump in early trying to front-run that pump. Sometimes that big injection does happen. That's what keeps bots glued to tokens that follow this exact pattern. Let's do it live. We're going to build a memecoin that mimics this playbook exactly. I found a wallet with a fat SOL balance, copied the address and pasted it into the token creator field. This instantly gives the project more credibility. To ensure the token appears across trading platforms, we need to create a liquidity pool. You can do this directly through this service, or use Pump Fund, Radium, or Pump Swap. The method works the same. You choose how much SOL and token supply to add the pool. Don't worry, you'll be able to pull that liquidity back later. That's part of the strategy. I'll add 3 SOL here, so even 1 SOL works. Based on my previous launches, I found that 3 SOL liquidity brings the highest returns, but lower amounts can still be profitable. I'm adding 90% of the total supply of the pool, so far 1 billion token supply. I'm contributing 900 million. I select a 2% fee. Set my wallet address to receive ownership and launch. The platform now shows a payment window. I send the SOL and fee, and that's it. Once confirmed, I get the token contract address. We can now see it live on SolScan. Next, I head back to DEX Screener and plug it out new token address. Give it a couple of minutes, and real traders will start noticing. Keep in mind, DEX Screener might show the liquidity as twice the actual value, because it accounts for both sides of the pair. Boom! The first transaction just hit. Our memecoin is now live and trading. This is where the fun begins. You'll start seeing sniper bots buying in, often dropping multiple transactions, even 5 SOL each. The trading volume starts to spike, and that's the sweet spot. At this point, if I wanted to rug pull, I could remove liquidity and lock in the profits instantly. Let's head over to the pool dashboard and look at the current numbers. To pull out the liquidity, as I do is click Remove, set the percentage and confirm. The funds are sent straight to my wallet. I don't even need to manually sign the smart contract, it does it automatically. And again, even though the wallet metadata points to someone else, you retain to control full as the token's actual owner. Alright, I'm pumping liquidity now. Done. The token is wrecked. This method is surprisingly simple, yet brutality effective. Most memecoins launched this way see similar profits. So yes, this strategy is currently working. And now you've seen exactly how a rug pull can be executed using this method, step by step. Again, this video is strictly for educational purposes. The goal is to help you to recognize these patterns in the wild and avoid getting caught on the wrong end. Thanks for watching and stay sharp out there.